Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video, I'm doing a video review for a video editor called Offeo. And Offeo, when you go to it online, will look like this. There's several features about Offeo that I like. There's a couple things that I just want to inform you about with Offeo as we go. And as we review it, I'd like to remind you that if at the end of this video you received some valuable information and something that would help you grow your business, then please give us a large thumbs up, like our video. Don't forget to add comments about anything too down below in the description. And also, if you're a new visitor, please subscribe to our channel and also reach over there and hit the bell icon a couple times. Tap it firmly so that you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. So let's move on into today's video review for Offeo. Okay, so we'll start the review today for Offeo. I just am signing in. So you're going to get a fresh look at the dashboard of Offeo. This is what the dashboard will look like for you when you open it up. Now, I want to show you down here. This is the lower left-hand corner. This will be where you got some very important things. These are all housed down here. You've got your projects, your brand, which we'll get back to as a special section of the video. I want to show you can set your brand up. And then you have account settings and learn Offeo. Now, Offeo has a large section in here that you can use to get trained on how to use it. And I found this very interesting and very useful. You can see there's a lot of videos in here for training, which will help you in getting yourself set up to use Offeo in the most effective way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go from here. I'm going to go into, we even have some advanced tutorials here. Is go from here. I'm going to go into a section on branding, and then we'll do a section on pricing, and then I want to do a demo. We'll set up a video for you and show you how you can demo the dashboard area for you and how the editor works. Let's move on into the next section. We're going to talk about branding. Okay, so the next section, as I promised, is going to be brand. So this is what your dashboard looks like. Again, here on the left, my brand. And this is going to come up. Now you're going to set up your brand. First, you want to upload your logo. Okay, so with the brand, I just uploaded my logo for Digital High Road. Down here, I want to pick out a font. And since the font I use is, pick that one. And then what we're going to do is set up our color palette. And what we're going to do is pick each color as we go. And I've got the colors listed here. Now I have them in a file. So we're going to bring them in here. And the next color will be, edit this one. So then I set up my palettes. Each color, if you want to X them, get rid of them, X them there. Open them up. It's going to come up as a default with black. So if black is one of your colors, that's what's going to come up. But that's it. That's your palette right there. And then, that's your brand. So there's your brand. Now your brand's set up, and that's pretty cool that you have that set up. Because every time when you go into edit now, all this will come up as things that you set up for colors. Let's move on. Okay, so one of the things I really like about Offeo is it's very simplistic, yet very effective and snappy. It responds quickly to actions and what you want to get done. You act and then it reacts quickly. Now the same thing goes with the pricing. Pricing, they don't give you multiple plans and make it harder for you to choose what you want. They basically have a 14-day money-back guarantee. What they're offering you is an annual where you'll be billed $169 for the whole year. You're saving 3 months or 26% off. It's going to cost you $14 a month, or you can go to monthly. A monthly is going to cost you $19 per month, but then you have it month to month. If you want to just use it for a month or two, it'll cost you $19, $38, whatever. And then there's unlimited. Everything's unlimited. Everything you're going to get with it is there. Now up to 20 gig storage. This is all with the program. Okay, everything with the program is going to be the same if you do it annually. Again, everything's the same. There's no difference, just how much you pay at one shot. $169 annually, which comes out to $14 a month, saving 3 months, 26%, or the monthly fee. Okay, so I'm making a video for using in all my video productions where I have an outside program that's given to me for free. So I'm on frame 4. I want to show you how I'm putting this frame together. What I'm doing is I'm going to background first. I'm going to click on paper. It's going to give me the types of paper. I want this one here. It's going to show up over here. And then I've got a script over here. There's 6 lines. I'm making 6 frames for this video. I've copy and pasted in this next one. I'm going to go to text. I'm going to add a subtitle here. I'm going to move this where I want it. I'm going to double click on it. It's going to highlight it. I'm going to paste that in. This is what I want for here. Then I'm going to put a file. I've found some files, some pictures that I want, and I've removed backgrounds in them. I'm going to click on it and drag it. It's going to enlarge it here. You're going to want to shrink this down a little bit and move this over. Now, since this is highlighted, I'm going to want to animate it right now while I'm at it. Let's see, I'm going to have it push in from the right. And then this one, I'm going to highlight it. I want to animate that. I'm going to have it fly in from the left. And then up here, what I want to do is down here in my time frame, make this about 4 seconds. And then what I can do is I can play this to see how it works. Okay. So that would be it. Now I want to save it. And I want to go to storyboard. And this is what I have so far. And then what I can do is the next one. I'm going to click on the next frame. And I want to edit this one. And I'm going to get the background again. Paper. The one I want. It fills in. I want to go to text. I want to add a text in. And then I'm going to copy and paste the next line over here. And I made these all copies so that they're all capital letters so that they look good in this here. Now I've already had my font set up. So these are all the same font. We're going to go File. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go find another photo. Okay, so I've finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes. And what we're going to do is I'm going to play all scenes here and bring this up for a preview. And you can see this is what the video looks like that I just created in Offeo. Now it's just from blank template. It wasn't a template really, just some blank panels. So that's the music with that. Okay, so wipe that out. Now, what I'm going to do is come up here to download. I want a video. And what's going to pop up is I want it as an MP4. I want high quality. So that they're going to render it now. I'll get back when it's done. Okay, so it's rendered, and what I'm going to do is now is download. going to download. It's going to come in right down here for me. That's my the video, and I wanted to show you how I made that. Every one of the frames was made the same way. This is with Offeo, and here's the video. And this is going to be quite an addition to my videos. Thank you, Offeo. Excellent. Let's move on to the summation of this product. So that's a look at Offeo, the video editor. And I really believe, looking at this, this is quite a professional level type video editor. And for the price, you can't beat it. Again, it's deep. It has some of the features that some of the professional video editors have. I didn't even scratch the surface with showing what it would do. Just wanted to show you some of the simple stuff that it'll do. But these videos will be videos that you can create from scratch or using templates that'll be yours, that you can create things. And what they sell it on, Offeo is being sold on the fact that you can create short ads for social media accounts. You can do promotions for social media accounts for things on the locations, your website, selling products, sales on products, whatever. So I would say that I'm pretty impressed with this as a product. While I did receive it free, I'm not saying it just because of that. I am impressed. I think you can see the video I created here. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to be putting it in some of my other videos. I'd just like to remind you that if you received value from this video today, please give me a large thumbs up. That helps me with my relationship with YouTube. Also, while you're at it, if you have any comments, please add them. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a first-time visitor. And also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. I also like to remind you that there's an affiliate link for this product for Offeo down in the description. I would appreciate your business. I hope I earned it by showing you what this product can do and how good it is, how versatile it is. If you agree, thank you for your sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stop back and see us again. I'm glad you're a viewer. I'm glad you're part of Digital High Road. And just want to thank you again for watching today's video, and so long.